co-education, okay, they always, boys and girls always disattracted because they get attraction. It improves the love affairs, friendship, etc. This is from my side.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
So, let me tell you about something. Co-education. So, co-education means teaching both boys and girls, and same school, same university, and under the roof. So, first of all, this advantage country adopt this system, uh, but introducing an other country. So there are many advantage of the system, and that is in here. There is a economical part. So if boys and girls took together, so we will not need separate school and for boys and girls. And disadvantage.
Disadvantage? Why disadvantage?
And advantage and disadvantage.
No, advantage for advantage. Okay, so
co-educations different law of nature, and boys and girls different duties forward, and if boys and girls do together, so we should make kind good girls and good mother, and we should boys do together, so we can make good boy and good father. My
very good morning. Nice to meet you. Same here. How are you? I'm fine. And you? Amrita, your life is good. Your life is awesome. Today I'm going to say something about on separate education. There is less pressure on students. Less pressure on students. Other setting. The students are, I think, either all girls or all boys.
My name is Divya and I'm in favor of co-education. As Gagan sir says, boys and girls attract with each other. Nowadays we are matured and we knows very well what is good for us. So I think this is not a valid point. And if we are
Divya ma'am, I am disagree with you. Maturity not come with when you born and you are mature.
only
It is the age.
it is happen whenever we attract. It is happen only one time, and again we knows what is good for us or what is not good for us. And
Tell them also about the topic.
and whenever we we study in co-education, then we save money for our government, because we not wait because they don't need a separate school for girls and boys. We can study one school, so this is reason for
In co-education, girls are harassed by boys. Okay, and there are a lot of incidents we have seen. Okay, and just like Nirvaya and in Ghaziabad, okay, we have also seen. Okay, that's why separate education is good for us.
But separate education, one day we work with boys and girls each together. So that is natural thing, and
Topic
we
is
prepare for this.
Topic is on co-education and all the working.
When we education when we study together, then we work together.
When we study
This is
separately,
natural.
we can concentrate on our studies.
Actually, there is a no fail. There, sir, I want to continue a sort of their incident.
Okay, carry on.
You say about the Nivea case. There are many husband boys and the incident of Nivea case. But you know that there are the many more boys husband girls and they do suicide for the many more time because you know that there are the any one law to in the support of boys. There is no one. But there are Indian constitution, Indian police, and there are the Indian society, and there are many more people supporting to girls. But anybody not support to girls. So how you can say every time boys has to girls, girls is not has to boy?
You may have.
Again, you are changing the topic. No, we are changing the topic. I want to cut it only short.
That also I can tell you.
Carry on.
Okay, actually harassment has been prohibited by the law. Okay, as you know. Okay, it doesn't matter if someone has intention to do crime, so nobody can stop them. Okay, and just say that his school means we can concentrate our studies without any distraction. In co-education, what happens when the both genders are educated together, so there may be the distraction, okay, between the guys, boy and girl, so they can't do study properly. Okay, that's all.
Separate education will be provide the only one minus language, but the co-education provides two type of language because when you study at this boys college or girls college, they are only on the one minus. Because if you read in boys college, they are only on the white, but you read in the co-educational college, they are both of the two mindsets, and they will got the extra more knowledge.
Actually, do you know
Anything.
And we understand problems each other.
Okay,
And
do you
know
know
how
the
to
census of
talk to each
2000?
other, how to will manage and to each other. But the boys colleges is will provide supporting the one minus.
Do you know the census of 2000, in census of 2011? Okay, the literacy of men 74% around, and rest of the literacy of women. Okay, if we are opening the separate colleges for girls and boys, definitely we can improve the literacy for girls.
Only literacy, but not improve confidence and maturity. Whenever we study together, we understand their problems. How to talk with girls, how to talk with boys.
I request everyone to participate, take the part in the conversation. ऐसा ना हो कि दो ही लोगों का conversation चलता रहे. What are you writing?
Points.
Good. But the point should be written when the GD is of only 4 or 5 points. Then you have to write your points. Or you are authorized. You are the part of GD. This can be done by only an authorized person. Okay? You just shut your mouth. मेरा रिक्वेस्ट सभी से है कि सभी टेक द पार्ट इन जीडी. ऐसा ना हो कि एक या दो स्टूडेंट्स आर स्पीकिंग ओनली. ओके?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Make a get me a phone. Please ask. Keep on speaking.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Very well.
How are you? I'm also fine. How's your life?
It's good and you like?
My life is awesome. My name is Ganesh Saxena and I want to say something about co-education. As Gagan sir said that in separate education, in co-education, girls hesitate with boys and studying. But in co-education, girls study. Girls learn how to study without hesitation of boys. They are not hesitate with boys. They learn how to study without hesitation with boys.
Our duty is improve the literacy of our country. Okay, so there is if we talk about the average and ratio of between the girls and boys. Okay, there is a low ratio of girls. So there is also a need of separate school for increasing the ratio?
As you told that girl will hesitate after graduation if we how to say man if we expect that we should study in girls college from till graduation, but after graduation we have to work with boys. In any sector we have to work with it. There is no sector that where girls are separate and boys are separate. So if that time we have lack of confidence and we are hesitated, so if we study in the lower classes with boys, so we have more confidence, no?
First of all, it is the topic is based on education.
Because there is
not
a
for
no
work.
fit where girls and boys separate, do job separate. So no. He said that girls will hesitate. Both of you not with us. No. He said that girls will hesitate with study with boys, but after graduation we have to work with boys, no? So then we hesitate.
Topic is based on education.
I know.
Because
This is
we
the
are
also
taking
part
care-
of education.
I am giving the answer of your point. Yes,
Okay,
I am not going out of the
actually, we are
topic.
talking about the education.
I am giving the correct point, na?
No.
I am answering this point. Both of you, this
IS officer and IPS and boys and girls and separate education, hostel and extras in estate tutor. Sorry, right.
Research shown that separate education is good because girls in nature are shy and peaceful and boys are aggressive and
Listen, if you someone is speaking, so listen carefully.
That's why co-education is very important. We control our aggression and we control our silence and improve.
girls in nature are shy and peaceful and boys are bold and aggressive.
Listen, man, as sir said about the maturity, okay. If we talk about the maturity, then also we can see in co-education or separate educations, both are teaching their students and students are mature, okay. Then also we can see the cases of harassments, okay. Whether you are studying in co-education or in separate education, doesn't matter about the maturity, okay. And as ma'am said about the dual mind and confidence, I think we have said that if you talk about the confidence, then in separate education also there are the many core activities that are being taught towards the students. So there they got the confidence level towards the other genders because the teachers told about them to respect others. Like if you are going in the boys schools and boys colleges, so there's a except periods of co-curricular activities. Then in that particular period, teachers say that how to respect other, okay, and how to respect other genders. Okay, there no difference between the confidence level or in the dual-minded side. In the co-educations, they are both are being together, girls and boys. They are having a different mindset. But in the class of 28 or around 35 boys, their class is 32 students in per class. Okay, in 32 boys, you can't say that they all will be the single-minded. 38 mind is equal to 38 ideas. Okay, there is no difference between the girls and boys in the confidence level and dual-minded side. What else? About what you were discussing?
I'm discussing about hesitation.
Hesitation. Okay, if you talk about hesitation, that I have said that the co-curricular activities, all teachers says that how to respect others and how to. There is no difference in hesitation. If you go out of the schools, means around after 6 hours in the study of schools, you will get outside. Outside you will find your sisters and your other girls. Okay, and the teachers also in separate educations come from other genders. Okay, so you can't hesitate to the girls. Hesitation means you are totally different from that gender. That's called hesitation.
I think practice is very important for practical. Whenever you are not practice for how to talk with girls, how to behave with girls, how to talk with boys, and how to behave with boys, then how whenever we out of college and how to react with
We go only for 6 hours in our colleges. And out of if you
Going outside.
and in talk and remaining 18 hours with girls only. Okay. In home, you will find your mother and sisters and other society. You will find your friends. Okay. Your mature friends. You will find other girls. So it doesn't matter that only in school you will learn how to interact with girls.
So
friends also
co-education is
make
finally better for the separate education according to your point. You say that you read only 6 hours in a college only for boys. But last I think for 14 to 18 hours you will be you will be waste your time with the co-education. So I think co-education is better.
Co-education where? Co-education
Yes,
would be in
you-
school only. There is no co-education. There would be
Invest only
society.
6 hours for separate education.
Education means school working hours. Okay, and the co-education also in the working hours only, not after. Okay, then you will be separated. If you talk about the girls, then the girls will not roaming here and there in the market, but the boys will interact with the girls only. Okay, girls will be remaining in the home. Okay, in home there would be find only the brother and father. Okay, so I'm not talking about working hours only.
family is whenever we live in a family and we know family by my childhood, that is natural. We talk easily with our sister and our mother and our neighbors. No, separately.
We have seen also the accent history, and many researchers have shown that there are a lot of parents are not ready to send their children to school because of that reason. Because just like education, sir told that education is a part of other thing. If you are spending 6 hours in college in secondary school, it not means that you cannot talk with anyone, but their harassment like crimes can be reduced. Okay, because and also the girls and boys who are having studies in separate schools, so they can concentrate on studies there.
I totally agree with sir, as sir said, and the co-education was taken by other countries. It was not started in, it was not in the origin of India. It was taken from the American, I hope it was taken from the developed country. Okay, and previously and before and the ancient time also, there was a totally separate education there was. Okay, it was totally separate education. And if we talk about the ancient mark sheets and now mark sheets, they are far better than us because they would be concentrated towards their studies and their future goals. Okay, if you talk about scientists, they were the far better than scientists than now. Okay, because they would be concentrated towards their studies and all. It doesn't mean they have broken their friendship with other societies.
I think co-education is important. Their example is Madame Curie and her husband is you know about it. Madame Curie and her husband Pierre Curie. We study both and we formula. They are radioactive, I think. Radioactive. This is also example for co-education. We study with each other and we make a formula.
Formula. Buddha. Buddha.
Buddha, yes.
He was also separated.
But
He was also a mandatory and he was also a famous personality. Isaac Newton. There are many examples. Don't know examples.
I admitted this is a very
Example. Isaac Newton. Albert Einstein. They are also single.
I admitted it.
Don't give a single example. Okay. There are many exceptions.
But nowadays we are living in 2021. Then this is
We
a
also know we are
compulsory.
living in 2021.
But this is compulsory nowadays. Co-education is normal.
Still government is making the separate education
In which school
schools.
you study?
Still government are making
In
separate
which
education
school you
schools.
study? And in which college?
Nowadays,
Class.
which class?
What?
12. Sri Rajan Singh Inter College.
This is a girls' college and boys' and co-education.
Co-education college.
Then
And till 7th.
And you can sit with the boys or not. You can sit with the boys.
Yeah, boys.
Yes, ma'am.
And till 7th, I study in separate. Till 7th, I study in separate college, only girls college. And after
Where you when you're 12?
Tell me the
okay,
what happened.
Sir,
You all are
sir,
asking for
sir, what about
don't get up okay.
I don't tell the person in the college. There are the 5 kilometers area in no girls college.
How to say ये तन्हाई की आवाज है?
Excuse me. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally.
Okay, let other person speak.
no, I don't take.
You are talking about the confidence.
Speak any other one
If
now.
you study in a separate college, you get confidence also because confidence is depend on a person, not a education. If you, some of the students study in a co-education, but they didn't get confidence. Why?
Ma'am, they get confident, ma'am.
Not but education is also part of confidence. That's why I say.
Confidence depend on a
Let's
person.
speak any other person from your team. You are fighting with all persons.
In co-education, it means level students. Okay, so we are losing our
Sir,
time.
how you can say?
Everyone is same.
Ma'am, I stop anyone. No, no.
Provoke them. You are not giving chance to speak.
Anyone stand his hand and I stop.
You are
Ma'am, I keep and
no. You are working in team, so you should provoke them. This is your team.
ma'am, I don't know anyone. I don't know only some person. That's why.
Even I don't know.
Yeah, we also don't know.
So what?
So you are.
So in your team, nobody speak only.
I'm provoked.
Yeah.
Will you speak?
Let's give chance to any other one to speak.
Bhagat sir, you are talking about hesitation confidence. In co-education, all hesitation are confident found. Like co-education is good for study because it helps to increase our group knowledge. If we want to ask something, so we can ask our friends, our relatives, many more. But if we should ask something to another one in social I want to social in social media, so we can also increase our body posture and confident, and we can talk without any hesitation if we attach with social media. So how sir you can say that in co-education is not good? Private.
Actually, do you know in co-education, it makes more fascinable students. Okay, so we are losing our custom right now. Okay, so there should be our customs and we should follow our customs. I think.
No, it is good. Something, anything. In Hindi. Speak. Fine.
Speak any other one.
Aman.
Casting this
But I speak. Can't speak.
Speak and speak. About any topic? Say any point. Yes, Divyanshi. You know your topic. Topic is separate education. You say something about it.
How many have spoken? You have spoken? You have not spoken. What do you say about separate education? According to you, which is better? Separate or co-education? Now, you have to speak in favor of separate education. Speak something. Yes. No? Okay. candidates. Yeah.
Yes, I think co-education is better because there is more discipline in co-education. If boys study without girls, they use abusive words and unusual languages. If they study together, they have to maintain their discipline and use good language.
Ma'am, you ever heard about Saraswati Vidya Mandir?
Yes, I heard. Yeah.
If we abuse anyone, then teacher will take our words.
Yes. Yes. Who would like to talk about it?
In separate education schools, the particular topic had been taught to the students as how to respect others and how to maintain the discipline. Okay, and in every school we can find the same discipline as in the co-education school or in the separate education schools. Okay, so you can't tolerate the point like this that you will face the discipline activities, indiscipline activities in the separate school. Because, and I will say also this, in separate education there are the more discipline you will find as compared to the co-education schools.
Okay. Yogesh, stand up. What do you say about co-education?
Co-education is a system where both genders, male and female, participate in same learning and
तैयार होके बैठिए सभी, किसी के भी पास आ रहा हो।